Hello friends, this is Layla. Today I want to show you 2 ways to revive your acrylic blocks. First, I want to show you how to fix a stained block. Here I have taken a magic eraser, wet it like usual, and gently rubbed it across the surface of the block. This removes the ink buildup on it. Rub very lightly to get all the ink off, otherwise it will scratch. Now this block looks as good as new. Here is how to fix a block that is cloudy. I am going to use my heat tool for embossing and other crafting to gently heat the surface of the block to remove the vapor that is trapped inside of the block. I received this block many years ago and it was cloudy and damaged at that time. Moisture gets trapped in the block if the surface is damaged. Damage happens from leaving your stamps on the block, using alcohol, acetone, or baby wipes to clean your blocks. You get tiny cracks or crazing in the surface, and that allows the water to penetrate into the block. This block isn't perfectly clear, but it is much better and much easier to see through than it was previously. Please like and subscribe to see more craft tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.